And what's going on, guys? Back with another video, man. Y'all already know who it is. You seen the title, you seen the thumbnail, so y'all already know what this video gonna be about, man. And if y'all guessing what the hell is he doing, I am up under the Lincoln again. But in this video, I'm literally tying loose ends. Quick fixes to a couple problems that I noticed. I know y'all wondering, like, why in the hell he did that? But it don't hurt nothing though, y'all. That's why I did it, to be honest. That is my emergency brake line. Ain't nothing hindering nothing. It still got plenty of slack for the brake line to do what it need to do, y'all. But it just keeps the wires from hanging from an underglow. But if you're here just watching this video, make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe, hit that notification bell, y'all, to be notified every time I post a video, man. This your boy Bass at it, baby. Let's tie some loose ends. We are Alright, guys, let's get up on this car and button this thing up. Now, I ain't got any on the ground, but as y'all can see, all my shit hanging. We just gonna button that up a little bit. Got some zip ties right here. We're gonna button that up. And I got one LED script hanging in the front, so we're gonna knock this out real quick. Gonna be a quick video, man, but we can't be around with stuff hanging from the car like that. Can't do that, y'all. So let me see, can I set this camera up some kind of way? Should have brought my tripod, but I didn't. But it'll be alright. See, can I set this up? Alright, let's get the zip tie real quick. Get the zip tie, man. Make sure my connection. Make sure my connection for the lights to even work. Still on. And like I say, let's get the zip tie, y'all. At least try to, y'all. At least try to. We need one more for this, then we're gonna move on to the front, go and get the scissors, and we ought to be done. We should be done. Can't have all this shit hanging up on the whip like that, man. Can't have all this shit hanging like that, man. Can't be that ghetto, man. Alright, as y'all can see, we in the front of the car now. Up on the, okay, the way he trying to come back in now. Y'all playing. They trying to form. Give me a couple more weeks, y'all. Couple more weeks. But as y'all can see, I got the fix this, cause this hanging. Either the zip tie still up there, so I may just thread it back through there. They may saw that real quick. But all the rest of them look pretty damn good. It's just that piece there hanging. But as y'all can see, that zip tie is still there. So I may just, try to thread it back through there so that, it still be up there. So that may be what we do, y'all. Matter of fact, we can probably knock this out right now. You see? Just that simple. Back up there. Just that simple. She back up. Quick job, man. But I don't see no other wires just hanging up on the car, so that's a good thing. We saw that. Oh, we about to check the passenger side, and hopefully we ain't got no wires hanging. Everything still look good up right there. Okay, that's it for this side. Let's go on. Now let's go on the inside, y'all. Literally tying up loose ends, man. May not even cut this video, man. It might be one video going all the way through, y'all. But like I said, y'all can see the inside LED script is hanging, so we about to get down here and see where we can zip tie this up at, cause the double-sided tape that came on it is actually not sticking no more, so we just gonna zip tie it. You know, that zip tie gonna pretty much solve that permanently if we find a good place to zip tie it to. So let me look right quick, see if I find a quick place to zip tie it to, y'all, and I'm gonna flip the camera back on. Give me a second, 1 second. All right, guys, we back. The double-sided tape started back working or whatever, so I ain't have to do no drilling in there to put the zip ties in it. That's a plus, man. So as y'all can see, yeah, that's all that issue.